Well, good morning and welcome back to Homeland Security Intelligence. I hope you had a good semester break and you're ready to move forward. We have now completed the Prevent mission and we move on to the Protect mission, which will be the next 3 classes. So first, on your homework from last week, it was solid. A good job done by everyone, all of you active participants in the class. Your personalized feedback is now available on Blackboard under your private PowerPoint there on the course content page. Okay, so we now move on. We will be looking at chapters 6 and 7 in the book. I'm going to treat those as a block. Chapter 6 actually looks at defending our borders from bad people and bad things coming across them, and also protecting the airspace. Chapter 7 looks at protecting critical infrastructure, specifically the human and capital equipment and facilities. I'm going to treat these 2 classes as a single block, and then after that we will spend a week looking at protecting our cyber networks and data, so cybersecurity. So just to repeat, this week and next week we will be looking at chapters 6 and 7, and to correlate that to the information on Blackboard, that is classes 8 and 9. So let's move now to specifically on homework. There's only one homework exercise for this block. You will find the homework assignment on Blackboard under the course content for class number 9, and the homework assignment is called Class 9 Homework. Okay? It will be due on Thursday, April 3rd at 5 p.m. So that's not this Thursday, that's the following Thursday, because we're doing 2 weeks' work with one homework assignment. You will see the homework assignment asks you to step into the role of a critical infrastructure protector, specifically the chief of security for an important part of our critical infrastructure. Now, I do want you to do this homework and hand it in, but I'm going to tell you that you can use this homework as part of your final paper, because in your final paper you're going to be looking at intelligence requirements for 2 different consumers, and one of them will be one of these critical infrastructure people. Now, in a few weeks I will identify a series of first responders, and your other intelligence customer for your major paper will be one of those first responders. So this may seem a little bit complicated now, but if you go back to the syllabus, you look at what's required for the major paper, you'll see that you're comparing and contrasting the intelligence requirements for 2 customers. And what I'm telling you today is that one of those customers is going to be the chief of security for a critical infrastructure element, and that your homework for April 3rd is to jump into that character. Okay, if this should become clear as you look at the materials. If you have any questions, just send me a message over Blackboard and I will try to clarify it a little bit more. Great. I think that's all I have for you this week. Hope things go well. If any of you want to have a one-on-one with me, now is the time to do it. Just send me a message through Blackboard for this course, and we can set up a meeting. So good luck to you, and I will not have a video for you next week because this is a 2-week block, but I will see you right back here 2 weeks from today. Okay, take care. Bye-bye.